Hey everyone, welcome back to Simply You Makeup. My name is V. Today's video is so exciting. It is about Online Makeup Academy. Online Makeup Academy reached out to me and asked me if I would like to do a collaboration with them in exchange for my honest opinion about the class that I'm taking. I said yes because I love makeup. I love playing in makeup, and that was so exciting. So this video is just to give you my honest review about the class that I took. I did the Master Makeup Artist program course, and it was fun. First thing that happened after I signed up and agreed to do the collab, I got a personalized thank you and welcome to the class. And they call me by name, so that was really nice. That makes you feel like it's like they appreciate you. That's how I felt when I got that videotape message saying, "Welcome, Vilna, to the Online Makeup Academy course." My instructor was very knowledgeable and was very, very skilled. And she teaches you the tips and the tricks of how to create some beautiful eye makeup look. There are many classes, many courses. Just to name two of them right off the bat, there was a bridal makeup class, and then there was also high fashion makeup. The classes are full of information, lots and lots of information. Cleanliness was a big part of this class. They teach you how to sanitize your makeup and how to keep the products clean. They teach you how to present yourself as a professional. There were many bonus looks that I enjoyed watching and learning the techniques. You can watch your programs over and over and over again as many times as you want and like until you get the techniques down to the way you like or you love. There is a discount code in my description box, and it is Simply You Makeup $100 off. The classes are for any and anyone who wants to take it. If you just want to learn some more skills on your makeup, it's a class for you. If you want to become a professional makeup artist, there is a class for you. I mean, the class is just jam-packed in so many ways to create so many flawless faces and eye look. You can stop and pause the course, and when you return to it, it will take you back exactly where you stop. I love that so much. There is also something called the Pro Card benefits that you can sign up for. You can get up to 40% off from reputable beauty brands such as Makeup Forever, Anastasia Beverly Hills, NYX, just to name a few, and there are many more. You can learn about the blending techniques of eyeshadow and foundation, how to conceal dark on the eyes, how to sanitize your products, how to match and correct foundation to the correct skin tone. They show you how to work with all skin types. There is no rush when you take in the course. You do the course at your own pace. You can take your online makeup academy course anywhere and anytime. At the end of the class, you get to take a written test, and once you pass that, you'll be able to get your certificate of completion. Online Makeup Academy, I really enjoyed the course. I want to say thank you so much for reaching out to me. I learned a lot. There is a discount code in my description box, and I will also put Online Makeup Academy link in my description box so you can go check out their website and see what it looks like. I hope you enjoyed this video because I had fun making it, just like I had fun taking the course and enjoying a lot of different things that I like about makeup. Again, I will see you all soon, and enjoy, share the video, like the video, and I will talk to you in the next video. Bye.